Schools likely to conduct multiple pre-boards. CBSE board exam dates comes as a big relief as students will get enough time to prepare, say principals. Students to be given questions for 80 marks in class 10 Odisha board exams. Only 28% Pune schools submit COVID precautionary report prior to reopening. Himachal Pradesh to conduct exams for classes 10 and 12 from May 4th. RailTel proposes smart classes for rural schools run by the government. Schools and colleges in Bihar to reopen from Monday. Safety guidelines issued. Assam to introduce incentive to encourage girls to attend school. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where you get to watch the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Balaji reporting from ENN and the Daily Stories app. The CBSE Class 10 and 12 exams might be conducted in May this year, but there won't be changes when it comes to pre-boards, as many schools have decided to conduct exams in January as per the schedule. Principals of some of the top schools in the city said that they are inclined towards conducting multiple pre-board exams between January and April to ensure that students are prepared well for the exams. The government's announcement of CBSE board exam timings has brought immense relief to the students and teachers amidst the COVID-19 induced disruptions, and the delayed schedule will give them enough time to prepare according to the school principals. Union Minister of Education Ramesh Pokhriyal announced on Thursday that the Central Board of Secondary Education would conduct board exams for classes 10 and 12 physically from May 4th to June 10. Practical examinations will be conducted by the schools from March 1st and the results will be announced by July 15th. Alka Kapoor, principal of Modern Public School Shalimar Bagh, said the announcement is a students-friendly step to ease the pressure the COVID-19 pandemic has put on the students' community. Students will now have enough time to prepare the boards and to improve their academic scores. The Odisha government on Sunday said that the students will answer questions for 80 marks in each paper instead of 100 marks in the state board examinations this year. 50 of that 80 marks will comprise objective questions in OMR optical mark recognition format, and the remaining 30 marks will be subjective, said the School and Mass Education Minister S.R. Das. Till Saturday, only 28% of schools in Pune Municipal Corporation limits have submitted the comprehensive precautionary details ahead of the school reopening from Jan 4. Moreover, only 32% of the parents have given the consent letters to send their children to the school from Jan 4th. The Pune Municipal Corporation stands firm on their decision to reopen of classes for students studying in 9th to 12th next week. Suresh Jagtap, Additional Commissioner, PMC, said that 529 schools in PMC limit, private as well as PMC run, about 150 school managements have submitted the preparatory measures so far. The board exams for class 10 and 12 in Himachal Pradesh will begin from May 4th. The Education Minister Govind Singh Thakur said the decision to conduct board exams in May been taken after the consultation with teachers and parents. The exams for other classes would be held from April 10th as per the reports. The board will take all necessary precautions related to the COVID-19. Students have to wear face masks and carry hand sanitizers, without which they will not be allowed to appear in the exams. Post-reopening, around 600 schools run by the central government in rural areas may equip themselves with the ability to hold smart classes powered by a high-speed broadband, tablets in the hands of the students, and interactive screens. RailTel, the telecom PSU of Indian Railways, has pitched this proposal to the Ministry of Education to impact around 3.5 lakh students who are enrolled in these schools, which are run by the central government predominantly for meritorious students in rural India. Education institutions including schools, colleges, universities and coaching institutions will reopen in Bihar from today after a gap of over 9 months since the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. A decline in the number of the COVID cases and a high recovery rate of 97.61% in the state seem to have boosted the confidence to resume the studies physically in the education institutions. The Assam government will soon give financial incentives to the schools and college students so that they attend the classes regularly. Announcing this in Sivsagar on Sunday, the State Education Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said girl students will get ₹100 for every day they attend the schools. He added that the government would deposit ₹1,500 and ₹2,000 respectively for the undergraduate and postgraduate students in their bank accounts by end of January so that they can use this money to buy the books. The move is seen to be an attempt to win over the students' community before the upcoming assembly election. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, do log on to our website, which is www.theenan.com, and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.